fowls at the African Center for Community and Development. These are layers and breeders by every right. The eggs are expectant. For food, for feed, if you will. We are working very hard to strengthen capacities in livestock keeping and agriculture in Cameroon and Africa by spreading knowledge of our tested practices for replication, both remotely and practically in workshops and so on. This is to spare startups in diverse fields and also to help improve on data on food security in Cameroon and Africa. Thanks for watching. I am Arrey Mbongaya. Cheers.